people are literally calling SST a scam. Still, they are calling SST a scam. And on Reddit, they say that you spend crores on YouTube marketing, but don't share real placement data. Is it not misleading? Like, what is that 96% which people have heard that SST में 96% placement है? So what is that exactly? Is it a rat race inside SST?
The problem that I see with a lot of these school of technologies which is trying to emulate us is the lack of selectivity. हमारा 3.8% है. There are some players which have 80% selectivity. 70 students are already in the internship to PPO round.
Averages?
Average की अगर उनका PPO लग गया.
Crazy,
right?
हाँ, like honestly I didn't know this. What number should a parent expect in their budget?
मैं समझा देता हूँ, बड़ा simple है. Then over 10 years when you look at the ROI, that's when you will see that you will actually earn 5x more versus a कोई normal आप average BTech कर लो, maybe at a lower fees but outcome ही ना.
How much scholarship can a student really expect?
And let's say less than 4 lakh per annum. You can expect a 100% tuition scholarship.
100%?
100%.
Okay. Let's begin. So today we have the program director of Scalar School of Technology, and I am picking up the hottest Reddit questions without showing him and asking him directly and getting his honest answers on them.
Hope मैं first तो नहीं गया. I had come to the hostel for some other work and Suryansh has caught me for this. Let's see.
Yes, sir. So let's begin. With the first question, and this is one of the most asked question, ki what does SST actually do differently from normal engineering colleges, and secondly from other new gen colleges, because students are generally confused कि भाई एक normal engineering college लूँ या SST या फिर कोई और new gen college. So how is it different?
चलो पैरामीटर्स में ब्रेक डाउन कर लो फटाफट. करिकुलम एक पैरामीटर है.
Yes.
वहाँ पे हमारा करिकुलम इज़ वेरी कटिंग एज, इंडस्ट्री के साथ बनता है और इवॉल्व होता रहता है, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब आप लोग के बैच के लिए एक जेन AI का कोर्स हो गया, बिकॉज दैट एन एजेंटिक AI का कोर्स हो गया. अब वो बीटेक के करिकुलम में नहीं है, बट वो हमारे करिकुलम में हम फटाफट डाल देते हैं और उस पर एडिशनल कोर्सेज करते हैं, राइट. फैकल्टी, आई एम श्योर आपकी भी फैकल्टी आर ऑल इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स, पीपल विद पर्सपेक्टिव, विद बैकग्राउंड्स, राइट. That's a differentiator. Third is peer group. I'm sure आपने आसपास भी देखा होगा. Year 1 से हम ये कह रहे हैं कि we've been very selective because हम चाहते हैं कि आसपास लोग कुछ amazing चीज़ें करें. So that is different for us, right? Being in Bangalore, right? Now so obviously this makes it better than a traditional BTech college, at least in terms of what employers want. अब इसमें वो जो न्यू एज वाला क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है, राइट, लेट्स कम टू दैट. सो न्यू एज हैज ट्राइड टू एमुलेट दिस मॉडल अदर कॉलेजेस विद अ बीटेक मॉडल. उसमें करिकुलम में फाइट ये होता है और वो मार्केटिंग वो लोग करते नहीं है उसकी, बट होता ये है कि उनको मान लो अगर XYZ यूनिवर्सिटी है, बाय लॉ उनको कुछ कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है. तो बच्चों को कुछ कुछ इरेलेवेंट सब्जेक्ट्स वहाँ भी पढ़ने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है. बट दैट्स नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. द प्रॉब्लम दैट आई सी विद अ लॉट ऑफ दीज स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज व्हिच इज ट्राइंग टू एमुलेट अस is the lack of selectivity. Okay, I can give you specific data. I mean, because we are in the industry and we often hire from those sometimes interviews होते हैं. तो जहाँ हमारा 3.8% है, there are some players which have 80% selectivity, which means आप आओ बस आप basic English बोलो आपको ले लेते हैं. Second, there are some other players which have 15-20% selectivity. So होता ही है कि फिर आसपास मतलब that crowd is a tier 3 crowd essentially. फिर उनके बाद मज़ा नहीं आता. Good models, but then you can't expect those beyond 7-8 lakh rupee average placements. यहाँ पे we are going for like really like for example even your batch, I don't know even if you have this data, 70 students are already in the internship to PPO route. जैसे आपका भी लग गया, right? You are already placed. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो इंटर्नशिप टू PPO राउट पे है, एंड उनका अगर आप एवरेज निकालोगे तो इट्स ऑलरेडी एट 20 lakhs. एवरेज की अगर उनका PPO लग गया तो दे विल गेट अ 20 lakh rupee package across all these 70.
Okay, so in this pre-placement drive which is going on currently in my batch, we can say the average looks out to be 20 LPA.
Yes.
Crazy,
right?
Like honestly I didn't know this. Okay, so this is how it is different from traditional as well as other new gen colleges based on majorly selectivity and therefore the quality of peer group you get.
Culture.
That's so it's true. Okay, so the second question is, and this is the question asked by one of the parent, that the total fees is although around 24-26 lakhs, but what is the real total, as in ki including hostel, mess, bits fees or the IIT Madras fees, whichever degree they chose, and the laptop and everything, like what number should a parent expect in their budget?
मैं समझा देता हूँ, बड़ा सिंपल है. 17.5 lakh CSAI की बात कर रहा हूँ, is the tuition fee over 4 years.
Okay.
ठीक है. On top of that you add the degree fee, parallel degree fee, typically 4 lakh rupees, right? Then on top of this, whatever you choose. So if let's say that the hostel option that you want to share is triple sharing, right? Uska I think 1.2, 1.3, I also don't remember the exact number. That's the price for a year, right? And then is the mess fee. right?
Okay.
Now mess fee depending of if you opt in, opt out, right?
हाँ.
So वो तो basically इन चारों को अगर आप ऐड कर दो, I think the minimum is about 28 lakhs, right? 28-29 lakhs कुछ आता है. However, what I think parents miss out, students miss out in the calculation कि ROI आपको कैसे करना चाहिए is basically first also subtract what you might earn here, right? So everyone does a 1-year internship. I mean, in your case, आपने तो पूरी फीस ही खुद भर दी है, right? That's a video that you made. But a lot of people, let's say the average stipend is 30,000. So if you multiply that by 10 months at least, right? Average मैं बता रहा हूँ, but बहुत सारे बच्चे तो top 10 percentile का 90,000 है. So आप कहीं ना कहीं मतलब anywhere between 3 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees, you can subtract from this.
जो आप कॉलेज में रहते
earn कर सकते हो. And then of course there are scholarships on top of this. So I can tell you through your channel, like अगर किसी के भी 97 percentile and above JEE mains में होते हैं, उसको scholarship मिलता ही मिलता है यहाँ पे, right? In some cases 95 to 97 में भी देते हैं जहाँ पे need है. Family income is less than 4 lakh per annum. So a lot of these things are there, and like we discussed, if the average placement year is around 20 lakhs, then over 10 years when you look at the ROI, that's when you will see that you will actually earn 5x more versus a कोई normal आप average BTech कर लो, maybe at a lower fees, but outcome ही ना है. What's the point?
Yeah.
So that's how we look at it. I hope this helps in understanding, and in case you have a follow-up, please ask.
Yeah, like you just spoke about scholarship. So how much scholarship can a student really expect?
If you are 99.23 percentile and above in JEE, and let's say less than 4 lakh per annum, you can expect a 100% tuition scholarship.
100%.
100%.
Okay.
Okay, it's already happened. A few of them are joining our campus in this intake. And then, of course, like I said earlier, like if it is 97 to, then there is a 20 to 30 to 40% depending on the need of the family, right? 97 to 98, 98 to 99, there's another slab, right? कभी-कभी sectional पे भी होता है. Let's say if you are really good at a particular section, let's say JEE Maths, you have 99.
Okay.
Right? तो उसमें होता है. So I'm telling you JEE based parameters. ऐसे दूसरे भी होते हैं. SAT you do well, BITSAT you do well. Maybe you win an international competition, you tell us, right? So the team holistically evaluates different spikes बोलते हैं हम इसको. And if हमें कोई spike ऐसे internationally benchmark लगता है तो हम उस पे भी the scholarship committee gives a scholarship.
So the more achievement a student has, the more probability and the percentage of scholarship they can
NCET
get.
पे नहीं देते.
Okay, it's not based on NCET score.
Right. I'm being clear on that.
Okay, so it's completely based on your previous academic records or the need of the family. Only these two parameters.
और नहीं बोलूँगा, and बोलूँगा.
Achha, and so these both are combined.
Combined. Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to next question, and this is kind of been asked from last 3 years and majorly asked on Quora, that people are literally calling SST a scam. Still they are calling SST a scam, and on Reddit they say that you spend crores on YouTube marketing but don't share real placement data, which I think you just did. But still, what is your response on camera right now?
Sure, I mean, देखो इंडिया में ना हर चीज को स्कैम बोलते हैं, मतलब तो उस पे कुछ कर नहीं सकते ज्यादा, राइट? इट्स वेरी इजी टू जस्ट कॉल समथिंग अ स्कैम, बट आई एम श्योर यू आर अ स्टूडेंट. 3 साल आपने देखे, आपको जेन्युइननेस तो दिखा ही होगा, एफर्ट.
इनफैक्ट हम लोग को भी बोलते हैं कि यू आर जस्ट प्रमोटर ऑफ एसएसटी. वी आर रिव्यूइंग आवर एक्सपीरियंस, वी आर शेयरिंग आवर एक्सपीरियंस.
That's okay. See, as an entrepreneur, as someone who's building, one of the lessons is it's okay. Let people say. You keep on doing your work, right? And you keep on adding value. वो अपने आप सब sort हो जाएगा. I mean, on spending crores on marketing, right? Guilty as charged. But it's logical. क्या logic है इसमें? इसमें cold start problem है हमारा. So we are not like an IIT which is government funded, 50-60 साल से चल रहा है. We are just starting off, and in order to be selective, see, we choose about 3.5-4% kids. और अगर हमारा top of the funnel, मतलब if the people who apply are only less, तो कभी भी campus पे अच्छे बच्चे आएंगे ही नहीं. So if you want really good kids, you need to spend. You need to like have that reach, and every person giving JEE in India today should know about the option of SST. Give the exam, see, right? If you're fit, बाद में research करो and then decide. कोई force थोड़ी कर रहा है आपको कुछ भी करने के लिए. So it's okay. Let people say whatever they want, but over time, like I told you the placement stats right now, over time more placement audited reports will come in, and people will see this as a new model, which is credible, right? Ignore the noise. Focus on adding value.
And what about the real data? Like how soon are we sharing this?
So see, for your batch, like the data that I shared is real time as of yesterday actually.
Yeah, that's been calculated.
But अभी जो audited placement report है, जैसे जुलाई में your batch will start placement. Yes. I expect it to last for another 6 months. Maybe it takes a month for these auditors to come. So maybe 6 to 7 months from now. So we are looking at a January of 2027. We should have an audited placement report.
Okay, so by January, we'll actually get what SST did in these 4 years. Like, was it a legitimate institute or not as per the general audience?
I mean, okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so now the next question, and this is again one of the most important question, that students are literally paying, as you told, 27-28 lakhs and getting a BSc, not a BTech. Parents are panicking, like, can a BSc graduate sit for GATE, apply for government jobs, get a MS abroad? A straight answer, like,
We recently wrote to Cornell University saying that this is our structure of the program. And maybe we'll forward the mail to you. And Cornell was very clear, like, as long as this degree is, and we wrote about both IT and BITS, is recognized by the regulator in the country, we'll recognize it. And we don't care, I mean. And honestly, ये सारे जो मास्टर्स के अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, डिग्री डिफरेंशिएटर थोड़ी होता है, उसमें होता है प्रोफाइल, SOP, LOR बोलते हैं, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन. As long as you have really strong this and a good GRE or a GMAT score in case of MBA, then you get through. So education abroad, absolutely not a problem. There are many examples of IIT BS students who've gone to top 4 US universities. You can check this on the internet, right? Even IIT Madras director speaks about how this BS program is as good as any BTech, if not better, right? That's the abroad option. In India, UPSC, CAT, all of this is you can do. MTech also you can do, by the way. Okay.
oh, after doing BSc.
After doing BSc from both of these options, 4-year program है ना इसके, BSc honors
honors,
और ये,
yes.
तो आप कर सकते हो. The only thing that can be a challenge is a DRDO. Those kind of Indian engineering services. अब किसी को अगर die hard वो करना है तो आप MTech कर लो, उसके बाद आप वो कर सकते हो. ठीक है. But what honestly I think the people who should come here are people who are excited about building in the AI world. So all of you are like, you're working at Runnable, your batchmates, some of them will get into Anthropic, OpenAI, Emergent, so many people are working. ऐसे type की companies में आना है, तो then this is the best place.
So technically, this 4-year program won't be a problem if you want to do any of these things out. Okay. Now, next question, and one Reddit user asked that, can I gain in-depth knowledge in CSE just by following SST teachers, or do I need external courses too? Like, I could have given the answer, but what do you think as far as what you guys have planned around curriculum? Do people get in-depth CSE knowledge, or are they taught just the things which needed for job?
Right. I think this also is a misconception कि because हम skills बोलते रहते हैं.
exactly.
तो देखो, आप curriculum खोल के देखो, अभी वेबसाइट पे जाके देखो, a lot of these subjects are fundamental. Data structures is fundamental, right? Computer networks is fundamental. Operating systems is basics. तो basics सब पढ़ते हैं यहाँ पे. पर जैसे मैं आपको example देता हूँ, NIT Trichy का curriculum खोलो, data structures की जो textbook है ना, वो 1981 की है.
Still.
ठीक है, बट वो ठीक है, फंडामेंटल्स उसमें है, वहाँ दिक्कत नहीं है. दिक्कत ये है कि वो लीड कोड के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग नहीं कराते, राइट? विच इज एसेंशियली हाउ मोस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज विल रिक्रूट टुडे. सो फंडामेंटल चाहिए, बट उसके ऊपर एप्लीकेशन चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग चाहिए. आपको जब सिद्धित सर पढ़ाते होंगे, तब सर कितने प्रॉब्लम देते थे दिन में?
बहुत सारे, वो पूरा दिन ही प्रॉब्म्स करते निकल जाता था.
मजा आता होगा तभी भी, राइट? So that's what we are talking about, right? कि fundamentals पढ़ा, but उसके ऊपर application पढ़ा.
Okay, this question is about my batch, but I want to ask you that the senior most batch, my batch, is in 3rd year right now. No batch has graduated and no final placement data exists yet. But still, we market that we have 96% placement. And is it not misleading? Like, what is that 96% which people have heard that SST में 96% placement है? So what is that exactly?
Sure. And firstly, just to clarify, ये पता नहीं Reddit वालों ने क्या सुना, क्या पढ़ा. It's very clearly everywhere we say that 96% क्या है, किसके है?
It's internship.
Internship, right? So for the first batch, the internship was a bit earlier, and उनके internships के statistics सारे के सारे ready थे. तो हमने क्या किया, उसको audit करा के publish कर ली. So for the first batch, it was between the 2nd year and 3rd year that they interned.
Exactly up to 1.5
So this 96% is the number of eligible students who got an internship at the point of like जब हम ये report बना रहे थे, उसके बाद तो और भी लोगों की लग गई, right? So it is not the final placement statistic, it's internship, and I think those are mind-blowing numbers. The
Yes,
kind of
they are. And that's why this question comes that the first batch hasn't been graduated at, but yes, yet there are 96% placement. So people were kind of confused कि अभी कैसे हो गया, अभी तो 3rd year में ही हो.
I'm not too worried about these guys. जो लोग हमारे पास आते हैं वो अच्छे से रिसर्च करके आते हैं और वो ये सवाल पे नहीं अटकते, वो तो क्लियरली वेबसाइट पे लिखा हुआ है ये सारी चीजें. So let's move on.
Yes. Okay, the next and one of the most concerning question here is it a rat race inside SST like in any of the JEE coaching institute कि जहाँ वो IIT के लिए पढ़ रहे थे, यहाँ लोग jobs या MNC के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं. So is it kind of rat race system? How you people have designed it?
I think the fundamental difference between a JEE and a CS education is that it's not a zero-sum game. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दैट. जेई में अगर 4 लोग का हुआ तो ज़रूरी है कि 4 लोग का नहीं होगा, right? It's a zero sum game.
Yes.
But CS isn't like that. Like there's a spectrum. So what I am optimizing for at SHT as part of the management is the delta. There are people who will come as beginners. There are people who will be at a certain level. There are people with certain aspirations. कुछ research papers लिख के भी आते हैं लोग, right? And how do we create that delta? So I would say that people have absolutely no idea when they say stuff like that. The kind of culture that exists here, people are so helpful. Senior, junior को help कर रहे होते हैं. Even between batch, of course, some healthy competition needs to exist, right?
Yes,
कि मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा internship excitement लगा, वो तो अच्छी बात है. But I don't think it's a rat race, or I don't think like जैसे कोई लोग बोलते हैं GSOC में हमने JEification कर दिया.
हाँ, exactly.
Right? मतलब we know, right? कि ऐसा तो नहीं है. मतलब we किसी को force थोड़ी कर रहा है. He said that we are creating an open source club. Anyone who wants to be part of it, this is the end goal. Come join, prepare if you want to, right? कोई gun रख के थोड़ी बोल रहा है. So I would say that again, you guys are better judges of is it a rat race or not. But in my view, it's not a zero sum game, and therefore everyone sort of grows. है ना? इसीलिए collaboration, and that's how the world is also. World is not zero sum. Which is why I don't like JEE too much.
Okay, now we come to the 8th question, which is कि a student has a JEE rank of 15,000, okay, and gets a decent NIT, also clear NCET. What should he pick now and why?
देखो, I'll give my POV. Of course, everyone is free to research, right? आपके पास भी NIT का ऑफर था, right? अब देखो, NIT में CS मिल रहा है, त्रिची मिल रहा है. अब वो जो बाकी उनके ड्रॉबैक्स है, टीचर खराब है, करिकुलम आउटडेटेड है, वो आप खुद से पढ़ के कर लेना मैनेज. बट जो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है वो सब है, बहुत अच्छा है, आप चले जाओ वहाँ पे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सेम गोज फॉर ओल्ड IITs. बट यार NIT श्रीनगर में सिविल मिल रहा है, NIT में पता नहीं कोई लोअर रैंक NIT में कोई नॉन CS ब्रांच मिल रहा है, कोई सेंस ही नहीं. आप वहाँ जाके इतना रिग्रेट करोगे ना. मतलब वी नो सो मेनी पीपल, वी इंटरव्यू सो मेनी पीपल फॉर जॉब्स एट स्किलर, राइट? दे आर सो डेस्परेट, कुछ भी मिल जाए. बिकॉज while doing a mechanical, civil, some random branch, आपको वो भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, साइड में दूसरा भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. That is, and why waste the prime years of your life doing something that you don't want to do, right?
Exactly.
So there are advices that outcomes wise, we will definitely be above these NIT non-CS kind of this thing. Culture तो है ही यहाँ पे अच्छा, right? There are many areas that where we need to improve, which we will over time, right? For example, people say campus size छोटा है. Wait for it.
Oh,
You will
okay.
hear about some interesting things.
Please do it before we graduate at least.
Let's see.
Okay, so like your advice is कि like if you really want to do tech, then why not to do from the institute which is actually teaching this? तो मतलब
And don't compare every school of tech. School of tech लिख दिया तो बढ़िया है. Research करो. कौन पढ़ाता है? Like let's say एक मैंने सुना एक स्कूल ऑफ टेक लास्ट ईयर चालू हुआ, इस साल बंद हो गया.
And why is it so?
नहीं हो रहा उनसे, राइट? इट्स नॉट इजी टू रन अ कॉलेज. यू नीड अ इकोसिस्टम. अब वो स्केलर का ऑनलाइन का जो बना हुआ है कि हम 30,000 लर्नर्स की स्केल पे पढ़ाते हैं, उसकी वजह से इट्स इजी फॉर अस टू रन SST वर्सेस इफ यू स्टार्ट अफ्रेश, राइट? इट्स नॉट. यू विल सी द मार्केट इवॉल्व. And by the way, I know this because they reached out to us कि आप हमें acquire कर लें. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
Okay. The second last question here is कि my batch graduates in 2027, the first ever batch. And what are you doing right now to make sure that our final placements kind of don't embarrass SST? And like what companies are like we can expect to come? Like still they're coming, like pre-placement, but the final dream companies, what we can expect?
Sure. ये तो Reddit से नहीं है, ये तो आपका क्वेश्चन है. That's okay. Let's answer this. So, I'll tell you a couple of things that are happening in the background, right? So we've created like a bucketing of companies and the quantum of roles that we want in each of these buckets. So bucket one is big tech, right? So all your Mang plus Salesforce. So all your Adobes, etc., fall in this big tech category, right? So यहाँ पे one good trend that we see is that while firing is happening in the US, इंडिया में अभी भी रैम्प कर रहा है. उनका बस एक ये होता है कि we don't want to hire people एकदम early, second, third year में नहीं करेंगे. जब fourth year में होंगे करेंगे, अगर अच्छा लगा तो PPO दे देंगे. So that's why you saw Amazon coming in. ऐसे you will see many other companies start coming in from this big tech category. और हमारे relations अच्छे हैं वहाँ पे, scaler, right? Second category is Indian product companies. So your Flipkart, Zomatos, again solid companies, scale पे काम करते हैं, तो वो bucket पे आपको काफ़ी सारी companies के नाम अभी दिखेंगे, and we are actively reaching out, engaging with a lot of these. Third is GCCs, Global Capability Centers. Goldman Sachs का इंडिया में सेंटर खुल रहा है, Morgan Stanley का खुल रहा है, so they also need a lot of engineers, and you will see a lot of them also come in. Fourth is AI startups. इसमें तो already traction है, right? Emergent is good relations. MS Rippling, which is somewhere between AI and Indian product. Actually, not Indian product, but global MNC. And then one very aspirational bucket is HFT firms. So we will try for that, right? As well, in case like we have good talent जो उसके level को meet करता है. तो connections है, but you need that level over there. So across these 5 buckets, we are reaching out, and what we expect is that by July जैसे ही चालू होगा, 3-4 महीने में the entire batch will start in term, and most of these companies, what everyone should know is, have shifted to a internship to PPO route.
Okay.
You come in, you do good work, right? Just like your ML placement, you do good work, and then you get in. So that's what most of our students will do.
Okay, so the plans are pretty good, like calling all the big techs, MNCs and everything for us.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, now
So many have already come to campus, right? Adobe, Global.
they have. Amazon, मतलब मेरे roommate का ही उसमें almost होने वाला था, but yeah, something's going on currently.
Yeah.
So, coming to the last question, कि there's a student who's watching now in class 12th, confused, like parents are saying no, fees look scary, and what do you genuinely want to tell him? He's confused between choosing SST or not, and how to convince his parents, and like what solid fact or basic logic he should have in mind so he could go or no for SST.
Sure. I think the first question I would ask is that how badly do you want to be in the world of tech? Okay. Like if the answer to that is yes, this seems exciting, I am good at mathematics, I genuinely like all of this, right? Then the second question that you need to ask yourself is that what is your risk-taking appetite? Right? I mean, just like y'all, अभी NIT का offer छोड़ के आना, like you had a certain conviction in yourself, not just us, yourself, कि मैं जाऊँगा तो कुछ ना कुछ कर लूँगा. जैसे कल ही मैं बच्चों से बात कर रहा था, वो बोल रहे थे कि मेरा fear day 1 पे था कि you know मेरे को जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं, मेरा डिग्री रेलेवेंट है कि नहीं, राइट? टू टुडे ही इज लिटरली सेइंग समथिंग लाइक कि मेरे को लगता है इफ आई जस्ट गेट अ जॉब आई विल फेल, राइट? एंड ही इज बिल्डिंग अ स्टार्टअप, सो हिज थिंग इज कि यार जॉब तो लगी जाएगी यार स्टार्टअप में. सो द सेकंड क्वेश्चन आई वुड आस्क द स्टूडेंट इज कि यार आप लाइक इफ यू आर maybe like a 7 on 10 also in terms of conviction, in terms of like the risk that you want to take, then come here. You will have a great time. आपको learning wise, peer wise मजा आएगा आपको. But like let's say if you are not a self starter, if you are not a high agency, तो यहाँ पे तो मुश्किल है. बाकी जगह पे भी मुश्किल है, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा और मुश्किल होगा, right? Because easy थोड़ी है, यहाँ पे मेहनत करनी पड़ती है सब. Like I don't know how many hours you work, but it's not. So you have to come in and work hard. So I would say that. So आप अपना individual देखो. यहाँ पे there are enough and more support available for you to do well. You have to come in and be convinced enough कि मैं अच्छा करूँगा. I don't know if that helps.
Yes, it do. Okay, so these were all the questions, and thanks a lot for answering. And if you guys have any more questions, just comment down, and I'll personally ask sir. I'll text him and I'll reply that answer in your replies. Okay.
Inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
The best. Thank you.